Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to unblock someone on Tinder. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner and your profile page will be displayed. Here, tap on the cog icon at the top and your account settings will open up. Once you are here, you just need to scroll down towards the bottom of the page and look for Connections. Under the Connections header, tap on the Blocked Contacts feature and all of your contacts will be displayed. Now, navigate to the Blocked section and all of your blocked contacts will appear. In order to unblock them, simply tap on the Unblock button and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can unblock someone on Tinder. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.